Hi guys, this is Sean from STPONLINE. We are an AV store in South Africa. We sell various brands of audio equipment, various speakers, various amplifiers, which include some of the big names such as Bowers and Wilkins, KEF, Monitor Audio, etc. On the amplification side, we do Denon Marantz, Integra, Onkyo, and NAD, to name a few. As you can see in front of me, this is our setup. We've got the SVS SB17 Ultra, which is actually what this video is about. It's about the unboxing. So you will see me struggling to unbox this subwoofer. I did it all by myself. It was not too bad. It took me about 6 minutes. But at the end, I managed to wiggle it in its final position, which you see there up front. So stay tuned and watch me struggle along to unbox this beast.